Can you get your car clean with stuff from Poundland? It's this way.
We've got a couple of bits, but not a lot.
De-icer. Lights. No, you can't, because we failed, because there's actually nothing in Poundland. Can you get your car clean with stuff from ASDA? So we're walking around all the aisles as you do, aimlessly looking at all the dog food. Nearly found Tom a nice outfit. Didn't like it, didn't think it'd fit him. We had to ask someone because we actually couldn't find all the car cleaning stuff amongst like everything else, because it was actually quite a decent sized ASDA. It was near the entrance. Went there, you could see all the selection of stuff that was there for us, which wasn't a lot. Right. There's some stuff here that we've already tried, so we don't want to go for that. Okay, Armorall all-purpose cleaner. Marketing material, powerful cleaning for all auto surfaces, stain removal formula. Liquid gold. That looks like piss, got the consistency of. Easy removes dirt, insects and rogue worm. I very much doubt it, my friend. Oh no, it's just 10 microfiber towels, but we're going to need some microfiber towels, so that's what we've got, so that's what we're going to have to do. Sponges, going to need some car sponges. I hate a sponge, but you know, challenge is the challenge. Let's crack on. Let's see if we can get this car, and mainly for your car at home, because you're watching this right, can you get your car clean with stuff from Poundland / ASDA? ASDA. So we couldn't find a pre-wash, so unfortunately we had to go with the Fairy, but we went with the piss selection option because we've got the piss shampoo, so we've got the piss pre-wash. It looks like piss, I think it does anyway. Dehydrated PP. Spot free. Self-drying car shampoo. Self-drying? Hey mate, self-drying. First wheels, so we've got our Wonder wheels, going to spray, let it lay on these wheels because they are very dirty. And then we're going to put our liquid gold, aka piss, in our bucket, zuzz that up, and then go with all our detailing, sort of brushes, mitts, you name it, and get these wheels back to be nice and fresh. It's not too bad this, is it? So there's a picture of it. So our wheels should look like that, right? Let's find out. The trigger's a bit naff. Get into the barrels as well, don't just get the face. We are in direct sun, let's get it on the face of the tyre as well, because see if that does actually anything. Yes, James using a lot of product, but this is a fair test, right? If it doesn't work doing this, then it's for the bin, right? I probably should have read this beforehand, Tom. I've already done it now. And watch the formulation turn deep red. Well, it will on the brakes and the brake discs, but yeah. We'll let that sit for a few more minutes and then we'll go at it. Stand by for some liquid gold. The unique revolutionary liquid gold polymer system effective. You know what, mate? That's not very good. It's okay. I mean, I'd say it's got 30-40% of that dirt off, but let's spray a bit more. Let's agitate, and hopefully we'll have a nice, super clean wheel. I mean, to be fair, mate, when you contact wash it, it's not too bad, you know. But let's rinse and let's see if it's done a good job, because if it hasn't, then it's really There are a few bits in the corners, but that's because I've not actually contact washed it. But apart from that, mate, what do you think? But I'd give that a pass, you know. I would give that a pass. I mean, how much was this? $4.50? $4.50, yeah. It's don't buy it. No, it depends on what you want, but it'll do the job. It's all right. It's okay. So we've done our wheels with our Wonder Wheels Super Wheel Cleaner. Get rid of that. Moving on to our pre-wash with our dedicated Fairy, going for lemon / piss colour. Snowfoam lamps, fair amount, spray, let it lay, rinse away, because I know a lot of you do this at home, so let's see how good it is. Oops, we're trying to be clever. Point to note, guys, don't do this at home. Get yourself a dedicated shampoo or citrus pre-wash for your pre-wash, but because we're doing it as part of this video, it's going to clog my snowfoam lamps, this. It's for entertainment purposes only. But anyway. Oh, she's foamy. I think it's what they use at the car washes. Not taking any dirt off, because with a good pre-wash or snow foam, you can see it, you know, all the dirt coming off and making round the car. But this is just, it looks good, smells good. Is it good though? I mean, the pressure washer is removing a lot. I mean, the fairy is helping. Yeah, there's so much traffic film left behind. Can you see this, Tom? So if I just rub my finger on that paintwork there should not be that much traffic film, i.e. dirt, from the road left behind. That should be pretty much removed. So you're wondering why you're getting all these swirl marks and scratches in the paintwork. That's why a good pre-wash is necessary. Vital, not mean necessary, vital. I thought we'd put my phone on silent. There's not really much you can say when it comes to pre-washing your car. Get yourself a dedicated citrus pre-wash, something like that from a good car cleaning brand. Stop using Fairy, put it under your kitchen sink, use it for your dishes because that's what it's designed for, right? Keep it away from your car. You've been warned again. Now moving on to that contact wash, we did actually find ourselves a noodle mitt so I could actually throw those horrible sponges away. I hate using a sponge. So with our lovely noodle mitt, it is a microfiber super mitt. Oh, super mitt. Oh, there's a guy there. It's only one-sided though, it would be nice if it was two-sided, right? Not very super, it's half super. Double-sided, 2-in-1. Oh, this is more of your, for like, so, see it's got the other side on there? Yeah, it's like for harder surfaces. We've got our shampoo, liquid gold, in we go. Zuz! I mean, it's very bubbly, but it's just, I mean, we'll find out what the cleaning power's like, but. Right, so let's actually go hand in. Let's contact washer, see if we actually do remove this traffic film, which the Fairy liquid has not removed. And the glass of the car, contact washed and rinsed. Now we're going to do driver side, contact rinse, passenger side, same again, front and back.
Was that shirt black?
It was, mate, yeah. It's been sun damaged. It's because I work outside, mate. And the sun loves kissing my skin. I mean, I won't say it's spotless, but it's not left anything really on the glass, as you can see. Nothing really too much on the paintwork. Again, as you can see, all the wheels, all the whole exterior. I mean, it's not done very good cleaning. I think if you used your Fairy liquid in your bucket, zuzzed it up and then mitted it that way, you'd remove the traffic film with it that way because you're just rubbing the dirt off. Should you buy it? No. I don't think you should. My opinion, for what it's worth, I would go out there and get yourself a better sort of car shampoo. If you do want a discount on some decent car shampoo, you don't have to listen to me. You can actually listen to that guy. Now, he's not a bad looking lad now, is he? Directly below this video, there'll be a discount link that you can click, which takes you directly to the EZ Car Care website, so you can go and look at all the different array of products that you can then select. Make sure you click add to basket, and just like that, the discount link Vulpix 10 has automatically been applied. Now, back to the video. Thanks, James. Cheers for that. Moving on to our all-purpose cleaner. I actually think, is this good to go all-purpose cleaner ready to use? I think it is. Spread directly onto the surface to be cleaned. Great. Allow to penetrate briefly. The terminology and the wording on this is very aggressive. Yeah. Penetrate. I would have said so. Allow to dwell. So for 4 glass, clear plastics or painted surfaces, dilute basically 10:1. Microfiber, ASDA microfiber cloths. Hey, good size these. That's what I'm used to. How much are these microfibers? Can you remember? We'll look on the receipt, shall we? Hold on. It says cleaning, air freshener, car cleaning, car cleaning, car cleaner, car cleaning, car cleaning. What order did I scan the items? Because that's what would have come out. Can you remember what order I scanned the items? The microfiber towels, cloths are either 5 or 7 quid. I don't know. Gingers, rare breed them. Not many of them left. All you gingers watching this now, you know what I mean? Stay safe, because there's not many of you left on there. Ooh, it smells nice. I think the dashboard wipes would do a better job than this, to be honest with you. Try it on the screen. One to go on, one to buff off. It's entertaining, guys. You're loving this. Streak free. Nice. Cool. That's a winner. Mate, it's not too bad, this, you know. I wouldn't use it personally because I'd stick to me, you know, my dilutable all-purpose cleaner from Koch Chemist Green Star. I'd stick to that. Okay. Yeah, I think it's all right, you know. It flashes off nice. It's okay on if you get overspray on glass. Do you know what, mate? For the average person who's going to clean their own car, it's great. I say great, it's good. No. Flashes off nice, which is what you want. From an all-purpose cleaner, you want it to flash off, you don't want to leave any streaks or marks. As a backup, I might keep this in the van. You can't see it because of the sun reflection, but I just thought I'd test it on the outside of the glass. Neat, straight out of the bottle, because the fairy has left a little bit of streakiness. Again, good point, don't use fairy on your car. I mean, it's not working. I mean, I wouldn't use these microfiber cloths, but even still, it's done a great job. Out of all the videos, all the budget videos of all the products, of everything that we've ever done, Demon Shine, you name it, I would honestly say this product is the best one we found. And you can get it at ASDA. The most important thing, we have one thing left. Tom's Cherry Car Air Freshener. In the right, Tom? Oh, you know what? That's decent. Yeah, it's very...
Doesn't even smell like cherry sweet.
No, it's very citrusy in it. On we go. Bosh. Let's hide that bit at the top. Look at that. Lovely. Can you get your car cleaned from stuff from ASDA? You know you can't. But the great thing is we have found an amazing all-purpose cleaner that you can use for your car that is safe for all services from what we've seen. Thanks for watching. Give me one of them. No more of these videos now, guys, in the comments. We are done. We've done your Demon Shine. All the playlist and all the videos are done, linked below. All the other budget videos. We are done. But feel free to leave a comment. I do read and reply to every single one of them. Let me know what you want to see next, and we will make it happen, no matter what it is, within reason, right? But no more budget videos. Thank you again for watching. See you later. New challenge video. What's stronger? Triple Waxes Diamond Liquid Gold Wash and Go Shampoo or my piss?